We have two blades now. Let's see it. The folding karambit and the folding knife. The folding knife is the color black and the folding karambit is color brown. So very impressive blades, guys. Very nice and very comfortable to carry wherever you go. So let's open this. The folding knife, very good handle or grip, very good blade. The Browning knife, made in United States of America and Germany. So very cool, guys. As you can see it, very nice knife, very good. So let's open this also. The folding karambit, very good grip or handle and very good blade. The fox knives, made in Italy. So that's nice, guys, very good. Awesome blades. And it is good also to do some tricks or exhibitions. It's all a stainless steel. This is the folding karambit and this is the folding knife. So good, guys, very good, and thank you, guys. Thank you.